some delicious, juicy, flavorful curry chicken back. If you're interested, guys, come let's make this one together. Alright, so we have some clean chicken back and we're going to season up this quick and fast, right? We're not doing nothing too crazy. We're going with some Maggi All Purpose Seasoning, have some Maggi Chicken Seasoning, a little complete seasoning. We're going with some curry powder. We're going with a little turmeric. Right, and we're going to add a little cumin, just a little bit. Nothing crazy. And then we just have to combine that. Put some garlic and pimento seed in this. I put up the seasoning but I can't, but I can pick up little for seasoning. Right now, as I say, something quick and fast we do. I want nothing to pick off. Alright, so I have some crushed garlic, pimento seed, and piece of ginger. And then we have some thyme. Alright, so I'm going to cut up a piece of onion upon it. So I'm just going to combine this and let this marinate. I give this about 2 hours. Kind of dinner time now. What time now? It's 9:43. I'm going to start cooking maybe 2:30, 3 o'clock. So a couple hours. And then come back. So I'm going to cover this and rest it in the fridge until I'm ready. Alright, so I'm going to bust a pepper in it. Guys, you want, well, I like mine spicy, so it depends. If you don't like the spice, remove the seed from the pepper. Okay, if you like spice, go in with the seed. Smell it. Alright, and this is it. Alright, so I have some chicken skin. We're going scallion. Yeah, fry some chicken skin. You hear it in the background? Loud. Go over there while I'm going to pop it on a bone meal. So we have scallion and we have onion. I'm going to do enough scallion because I'm going to use some in my rice. And then make some rice. also. Alright, so I'm going to coat them here now. Alright, so we have this, the chicken skin. Alright, so we're going with some curry powder. I'm not put no garlic or ginger in the oil because I already crush and put that in the meat already. Alright, so you want the stove pan low heat because you don't want to burn your curry. Technically we say burn curry, but not really burn. We are burn the curry, we are toast the curry. Alright? And when you have it on low heat, you can add in more control of the curry. If it's high, it's going to burn it. So keep it on medium low heat and just take your time and toast it. So heat there like a minute before you add the chicken. After the minute, you just pour the container meat in the pot. Right? The camera never video, so I missed that part. So as I said, I'm going to touch it nothing yet. Now we're going to turn up back the heat from medium, right? And then we're going to go in and turn it. We are going occasionally and just turn it for a couple of minutes and then remove from this one. Alright, so we are going occasionally turn the meat until all the raw look from the meat come out, right? Before we add anything to the pot. We are going with a cup of chicken stock. You can use a cup of water. Alright. And then, guys, don't flood the pot. Trust me. Don't flood the pot of water. Cover this on low heat and make it finish cook. So we'll go back down to medium low heat and make it cook until the meat is tender. Going occasionally check on it, because the water might dry out. Sometimes it's spring water, sometimes it dries out. So going occasionally, check to see if you need any more liquid. If you need more, add a little tubs, and then you cover and let it continue. So we are softening up the bone a little. And remember, chicken doesn't take a long time to cook. So we now cook it until everything mince out. Alright, we'll come back. We'll come back the next 20 minutes. Alright, so I cut up my Irish potato for the curry chicken back. I cut up some carrot too, But me not put no carrot in the chicken. Me I put carrot. Me I make string beans and carrot as vegetable. So I think me I gonna go in with Irish for the I do them big, you know, I do them small. Cook quicker. I'm gonna put a good amount of Irish too. Just rest them in a soak with some water so that they not change color. I rinse them off and catch fresh water pan when we're done. So I'm just go in. Slice it down the middle. I come see I gotta do it. My hand them can't even grab the potato there. Alright, so I do the Irish. Alright, so let's see where I go on. Let me take out there. I'm gonna serve no more purpose at this point. Alright, and then I'm going with me potato. Same time I'm going with my onion, scallion and thyme. Until the Irish cook. Alright, let's see where I go on for the meat pot. Anyway, I drop a piece of butter in there. You don't have to do it, guys. Don't have to do it. It's very much optional. Okay? Alright, let's go there now. Just make the Irish them taste good. Should I put it in earlier, but it's okay. See meat and I mash up, you know it's done. This can't take it up, so I can't ever show no what I want. Alright, I'll go get a different spoon and come back. Alright. I don't want the Irish to mash out too much, so this is it. Right. And guys, this is the complete dish, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video, don't forget to like, and guys, leave a comment. And guys, thanks for watching, and I'll definitely see you in another one. Bye guys.